Hi guys, I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook. Sorry if there's any noise in the background, but you're going to chain 4. I'm going regular speed with this one for right now so you guys can see and understand. Now I am from Trinidad and I do have a strong accent, so if you don't get it, hopefully the visuals will be clear enough for you to understand what I'm doing. So after you chain 4, you're going to slip stitch back into the chain 1, and then you're going to either snip off that piece or you can wind it in like I'm doing, and you're going to chain 12. Yes, you're going to chain 1 to 12. So after the chain 12, you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to loop over, go back into that same stitch and pull it up. Loop over, go back into that same stitch and pull it up. So you have 3. And then you're going to loop over, go into the second stitch and pull it up. Loop over, second stitch, sorry, pull it up. Loop over, second stitch, go up. So you're basically doing 3 in 2 stitches. And then you're going to chain, bring it all through and then chain 2, and then you're going to slip stitch into the other one, and then you're basically repeating the process. Okay guys, so in total you should have 6 petals. That's the point of doing 12 crochets, 2 for each petal, if that makes sense. Yes, this is the easiest way I've seen how to do a puff flower, but if you guys have an easier way, just comment below and let me know. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, comment, like, share and everything. I will greatly appreciate it. Bye guys.